Hey guys, welcome back to another Z Bolt unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at the charger. So nowadays, if you buy a flagship, like for me, I did get a Samsung S21 Ultra, you won't get a charger anymore. So if you don't have an existing charger at home, you need to buy a new one. So that's what we're gonna talk about today. This is actually the Samsung 25 watt PD charger. And this is their latest and greatest charger, and also designed to work with your latest devices. So we're gonna take a look at this, and is it worth it to get over your older Samsung chargers? Alright, so looking at the box itself, it's a pretty minimalist kind of looking box. There's not a lot of information, but it says super fast charger and PD as well at the top. And inside, you're just getting your charger as well, so not a lot in the box. And actually, from the look of it, it's similar in terms of the finish compared to your Samsung S21 Ultra. You have that kind of matte black kind of finish. So definitely, if you're into that matching of textures, this might work for you. It's similar in terms of the matteness of the finish compared to your S21 Ultra. So actually it says here super fast charging as well. And let's try to compare it with my older Samsung charger, which I got from the Note 8 as well. So as you guys can see, it's actually a bit smaller, but a bit more stout compared to your previous charger. But they are similar in terms of the overall volume. They're not that far off. It's very light and you can fit it in your bag. But definitely this is bigger compared to your usual maybe Apple chargers. The Apple chargers, the usual ones, are definitely a lot smaller, maybe around 2 times less of the volume compared to this one. And as you can see from the design, the new one is now more kind of rounded compared to the previous one that you have a more kind of boxy approach. So actually the new one kind of plays in the new design methodology of more of a rounded, more organic, natural kind of designs in their products. And definitely yes, this kind of matches their new design methodology. And in terms of the finish also, the previous one is your glossy kind of finish. The new one is a matte black kind of finish. So again, they're playing around with their new finishes now with their kind of matte finish, which is something that I like. Okay, but definitely the main selling point here, guys, is you have a USB-C to USB-C. So yeah, definitely this might not be in your house yet, because a lot of chargers compared to maybe my old chargers is still the USB-A. So yeah, this is what you are paying for, guys. So actually this is what's weird with the new slew of flagships. They're not giving a charger away in the package, but it's actually a different kind of socket compared to your usual. So that's kind of weird that maybe yeah, they're still kind of forcing you to buy eventually a charger. Alright, so now we have it in, and we're gonna try now the Samsung PD charger. So I expect, of course, that this will be faster compared to the old one for sure. So yeah, in terms of price, this is around $30 depending on where you're gonna get it. So USB-C to USB-C, guys, let's try it out in our Samsung S21 Ultra. So actually it says now super fast charging, so you might not be able to get the super in our previous charger. And it says actually 28 minutes until full, so I'm pretty sure you won't be able to see it that clearly, but it's 28 minutes before full. I'm now at 83% as well in my battery. So let's try out the Samsung, the old version. And it actually says around 20 minutes until full. So definitely more time in the older charger, but actually it's not that far off. So yeah, actually before when I used the Note 8, it's actually already really good with the charging time there. So definitely it's not as fast compared to my OnePlus before, which has a bigger charger. That's definitely faster, but this one is fast enough, especially for daily kind of use. I'm not the type that I'm a charge and go kind of type. I charge overnight. So yeah, that's not a big issue for me in terms of the the difference in terms of the charging. So definitely this is faster compared to your usual kind of charger. The difference for me is not that far off. So definitely if you want the latest and greatest, the new Samsung charger is definitely better. But actually your older charger is still pretty good. It's not that far off. So like for me, unless you need that USB-C, unless you want the latest and greatest, unless you want the fastest kind of charge, go for this. But if you already have these, you don't need to buy the latest charger. So of course that is unless you are gonna buy, you know, a bigger wattage charger, maybe around 50 watts. That would be faster compared to these. But if you're gonna, you know, just buy something like this, the 25 watt PD charger, it might not be worth it. It might be better if you will stick with your older charger until maybe there's an even faster charger that comes into play. So that's our unboxing of the 25 watt PD charger from Samsung. If you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more unboxings like this. We're gonna unbox tech stuff, really interesting stuff that yeah, I cannot do in ZPult. So ZPult will be more of an audio channel, maybe 90% of the time. Audio and review channel will be there, but for unboxings and, you know, me just having fun with gadgets, this is the channel for that. So if you're into that, consider subscribing, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next ZPult unboxing. Goodbye.